So what is up? I am back with another shop with me for the fall decor. I am not done, right? We did previously we did TJ Maxx and we also did Target. So today I am back to get a little couple more things that I need. So I did go to TJ Maxx. I was not able to film, but no problem. I am now in Joan, the last store. Hopefully I get everything that it is that I'm looking for here, and then I'm gonna show you how I decorated everything at home. So I'm gonna film just a couple of things that I'm able to get in Joan and what they have. I've honestly came to Joan once for the holidays, and it was for Christmas, and I completely loved it. So I'm excited to go inside right now to see what they have for the fall, because this is literally, I would say this is like Michael's, but a little bit more advanced. Like, I love Michael's, but Joan is just top notch. So let's go, let's check it out. We're in Joan right now. I'm looking at some wreaths right now, but also to pretty much DIY, making my own for the TV counter. And so this is like a garden wonderland here. It's so cute, so many different colors and things to choose from. This is why I literally be in here all day. So I'm a little disappointed because they didn't really have a lot of things that I was looking for exactly, aside from like doing like the wreath. I mean, not the wreath, but the garland. There you go, the garland. Aside from doing the garland, they didn't have like a lot of pumpkins or like decorations that I was hoping that they had. So I mean, at least I got some of it from TJ Maxx. So I am gonna make a Target run. If I find something great, if not, then I'm just going to maybe order something online. And yeah, so last store. So here's the final result for the fall decor. I decided to go with kind of like a brown and some blue and white, kind of like a farm. I don't remember the exact name of the theme, but this is ideally what I was thinking about. Here we have Joy laying down. So I got these pillow covers from Amazon. I also got these from Amazon. I got this from, I believe it was a TJ Maxx. This is pretty old, but I got it from TJ Maxx as well. The curtains, I got it from Amazon. I will place the links for the things that I got online. And then this, I got her about 4 years ago. My little cute Joy. Oh, the puppy, so cute. All right, and then here we have like just a little small setup. So I got this from TJ Maxx. The ACORNS, I had them for some time now. I actually got them from, it was Michael's. And then these pumpkins, they were $1 each at Target. And then this amazing smelling candle, I got it from TJ Maxx. And then you see kind of like a farmhouse. I know they had like blue trucks. So that was kind of like the idea I was going with. And then I have the table setting here. I got these from TJ Maxx as well. I was able to get these pom-poms from Target. So this is my mirror setup where I have my mirror. I got this little decor, like these things right here. I got it from Family Dollar last year. I got this pom-poms from Target as well. I got the vase from Target. The inserts, I believe I got it from Target as well. And then this, I got it from TJ Maxx. So this little area is super cute for when I take my pictures. And then this, I decided to do like a DIY wreath for the fall. So I got all the things from, it was Joan. And I just put all the pieces together. I believe I got the pumpkins, they were separate. These white pom-poms separate. The flowers as well, they were separate. And then I also got these blue little things here. Those were separate. And then the branches, the green branches, green leaves were separate. And this was the look I have here. And then I have these old candles. I do not have them on because I don't have batteries yet, but yeah, so this is the look for the fall. Something different. Totally love it. Something different. There you have it.